What should I do before an HVAC technician arrives? Before the technician arrives, clear access to the heating and cooling equipment, write down the problem, check your thermostat settings, and secure pets and children. Start by noticing exactly what is happening, such as weak airflow, strange sounds, unusual smells, or rooms that stay too hot or cold. Write down when the problem began and whether it happens all the time or only sometimes. Make sure the technician can safely reach the furnace, air conditioner, heat pump, thermostat, attic equipment, crawl space, and outdoor unit. Move boxes, furniture, tools, and decorations out of the way, and clear leaves or snow from around the outdoor unit without taking it apart. Replace a very dirty air filter if you can do so safely, but keep the old filter if you think it may help show what caused the problem. Check that the thermostat has power and is set correctly, but do not keep changing settings to hide the problem. Gather recent service records, equipment information, warranty papers, and details about unusual energy bills. One helpful detail many people miss is taking a short video of an intermittent noise or leak, because the problem may stop before the technician arrives. Do not remove panels or attempt electrical, gas, or refrigerant repairs, because hidden hazards can cause serious injury and may make the diagnosis harder. Do not assume a dirty filter is always the only problem. Blocked vents, frozen coils, drainage clogs, or failing parts can create similar symptoms, so describe everything you noticed. Also, do not turn off the system without telling the technician why, since the current condition may provide useful clues. If you smell gas, see smoke, or suspect an electrical danger, leave the area and contact a proper emergency service. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.